Now, question number 7. Using BPT theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Means we have to show that DE line is bisecting AE line, AC line also. We are already given that D is the midpoint of AB. It means D is bisecting AB. Here we have to prove that D is bisecting AC also. So bisecting AC also, so we can also prove that AE equal to EC. If D is bisecting AC, so AE will be equal to EC. This we have to prove here. What is given? A triangle ABC in which D is the midpoint of AB and AC, and D is the midpoint of AB, not AC. D is the midpoint of AB and D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC we are given here. Since we are given D is parallel to BC, so in triangle ABC we can apply BPT theorem. Whenever sides are parallel given, we can apply BPT theorem in a triangle. So by BPT we can say that ED upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Let this equation 1. Since D is the midpoint of AB, or we can say D is bisecting AB, so ED will be equal to DB. This you will write here. Now if you simplify it, you will get AD upon DB equal to 1. How? Bring DB in the denominator of AD. You will get 1 in the right hand side. This you will get. Now from equation this and this, from equation 1 and 2, these two ratios are equal, so these will also be equal. We can write AE upon EC equal to 1. Fine. So do the cross multiplication, you will get AE equal to EC. Since AE equal to EC, this AE equal to EC is coming, so we can say that DE is bisecting line AC. This is our proof. Okay. Question number 8. Using converse of BPT, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of triangle is parallel to third side. Here it is saying that line joining the midpoint of AB and AC. DE is line which is joining the midpoint of AB and AC, where here midpoints are D and E. This DE line is parallel to BC. This we have to prove. Fine. So how do we prove D is parallel to BC? What you given here? Here we are given D and E are the midpoints. Fine. If D and E are the midpoints, so we can write here AD equal to DB. Fine. So AD upon DB equal to what? 1. Bring DB in the denominator of AD, you will get 1. This you will get AD upon DB equal to 1. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AC, so you can write AE equal to EC, AE equal to EC, and this also can be written like this, AE upon EC equal to 1. This equation is supposed to 1, this equation is supposed to. From equation 1 and 2, because this is also equal to 1, this is also equal to 1, so these will also be equal. So this we have written equal here. Since now you see in the triangle ABC, AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC we have got. Since the ratio are equal, so we can say by converse of BPT, D will be parallel to BC. Fine. This is your answer. Question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. This is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. We are given here. Diagonal intersect each other at point O, so that AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. Fine. So written here, right here, first of all, what we are given? We are given this ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD given. Because you know in trapezium one pair of the opposite side is parallel. So AB is parallel to CD. What to prove? This we have to prove. A upon BO equal to CO upon DO. Construction, what we construct here? Do the construction like draw EO parallel to CD. Fine, this EO is parallel to CD. This EO we have drawn by construction. Now in triangle ABD, you can see in triangle ABD, since you can see here EO is parallel to CD, we have drawn by construction. This we have written by construction. And DC is parallel to AB. This is already given. AB is parallel to CD, or we can say DC is parallel to AB. This is already given. Since we are given these two conditions already, you see that DC is parallel to EO also, DC is parallel to AB also. So EO will also be parallel to, this will also be parallel to AB. Means this EO will also be parallel to AB. Now if this EO is parallel to AB line, so in triangle ABD or ADB, same ADB, you can say by BPT theorem, AE upon ED equals to BO upon OD. Fine. By BPT theorem in triangle ADB, since lines we have proved parallel, so AE upon ED equals to BO upon OD. In triangle ADC, now you see ADC, here EO is already parallel to CD by construction. Fine. So we can write here in triangle ADC, EO is parallel to CD, so we can apply Pythagoras, sorry, we can apply BPT theorem in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, AE upon ED equal to AO upon OC. Once again, AE upon ED equal to AO upon OC. A upon ED equal to A upon OC. This we have written by BPT theorem. Now let this equation be 2 and this equation is 1. From equation 1 and 2, you can see here AE upon ED, AE upon ED. These ratios are common. So this will also be equal. BO upon DO equal to AE upon CO. Now you do the cross multiplication, or you can shift the terms by cross multiplication. How? BO you send here and CO you send here. You can write AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO, like this. And this is your answer. Question number 10. In the next video I am doing.